Hello everyone, welcome to Tech WideRock Academy. Today I am here to help you if you are unable to see the wallet, spot and funding options in your Binance app. First open up your Binance app. As you can see on my screen, the portfolio option is visible along with the few other options, but spot funds and some other options aren't showing up. So here's how you can make them appear. First, you will want to clear the Binance app data from your phone settings or simply uninstall and reinstall the app. And just to be sure, you remember your login credentials for a smooth process. Once the app is reinstalled, open it and when prompted, select I am familiar with crypto, then log back into your account. Now, if you navigate to the wallet option, you should see all the options available, including spot, funding, earn, futures, and many more. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped solve your issue. Be sure to subscribe for more tips like this.